Well, that looks like it's never been changed before. Apparently there's only like a litre in here, but another job done. Well, another job getting done today. It smells very fuely. There we go. Oh no, I didn't really want to do that because now I have to put my hand in it. Ugh. Really looks like it's never ever been changed. No filings are out in that. It's going good. Oh dear. I was going to fit my new indicators, but I can't do that. I have to wait for a new socket coming. How bad's that? Oh yeah, it wouldn't go on centre stand properly, so we've had to put this down. It's because it rises. Love how it runs quite well. Nice. Yeah, oil change is done, and guess what? I've spilt oil. That's freaking per usual. Well, got more to do on this piece yet. Like, finish building it. But, oh well. Right, I'm packed up now. I'm going out for a ride. There we go! Yeah, Bobby! And that's why I like playing. Jesus Christ, that scared me a little bit. Ash, if you're watching this, you just scared the living daylights out of me, man. Look at him just circling round about. There we go, look. Nice little play. Pulling up for a bit. I'm gonna have a cig. So I was talking to them two then, and they were saying on the thousands, it's so easy just to open up the throttle just a little bit and instantly be at the point where if you get caught, you're getting banned. And I'm going to be alright on a 600, I think. I probably will go higher at some point, but I want to get used to having a 600 first. Yeah, if I go get a 600, I'll be alright. Look at that, all that scenery, if you can see that, it's beautiful. That's pretty much why I like nighttime riding as well. I do a bit of both, daytime, nighttime. I'm happy either way, just as long as I'm out on a bike.
Right, I'm going. Danny's just put snow in me, man. Right.
Go, you can get out. After this one, go.
There's another 6. I'll see you later.
Right, steady.
Yeah. So, if you can't gather, we got snow. Again, 3rd time this month. And nobody can get out of the house, and nobody can do anything because of this snow. So, yeah. You'll have to excuse me, because with there being snow, I can't work on the bike. I also can't do any work on, like, the other bike. And a bit of bad news is the battle shed, we've decided, me and my granddad have decided that it's going. We're going to be getting rid. Oh wow, that's really icy. But if you're out in this, then please do take care. I only came out to drop my mum back off because it's like a 3-mile walk. Mum's then worried about me getting home, which there's no need to worry. I think they're stuck. I hope they're not stuck. I'm not pulling up. But main thing about this weather, know how to drive. Don't hit the brakes and don't do this, because that's damn right stupid, but very fun. No. My actual words to my mum was like, I'm going to qualify for BDC just for giggles, just to see what she said. I mean, to be fair, I know that this is icy. See, that's trying to turn. Yeah, main thing, just know how to counter steer. And power. Lots and lots of power. No, the thing that makes me laugh is that we get like 1 inch, 2 inch of snow. I mean, underneath this is ice, but we get 1 inch or 2 inch of snow and the country's at its knees. I mean, look, that's clear. I could even brake. Now I can't. And there's a big ass truck behind me. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like that. And it's like, watch this. I'm about to get overtaken by a truck. He's going way too fast for road conditions. That Landy were doing about 60. Are you mad? Yeah, it's the main thing is that broke down? Yeah, I think that's broke down. But I don't think it's broke down, I think it's just stuck. I wonder if it is stuck. Are people getting up there? That's the main thing that I want to know. I think they are, yeah. Right, I'm alright then. wait, that's gone into the back of that. Oh wow, that's a truck getting brought up back. Come on, Landis. I'm not gonna lie, I don't actually see myself getting back up here. I'm only going for a latte. There's like trucks stuck, and I mean stuck. Oh wow, I wish I had a 4x4, man. If I had a 4x4, that'd be buzzing, because I'd be the one that's actually out here giving him an hand. I think like people have been daft enough to come out here. Oh, that was creaky. Sorry, Mum. I can do better than that. Right, so if there was like an apocalyptic scenario, this would, oh for God's sake, really? Oh. Yeah, if there was... Right, back to what I was saying. If there was an apocalyptic scenario, I think they're going to be waiting a long time for the bus. And like, it was all a land of snow. I think this is what it'd be like. Till fuel ran out. Till there was no fuel at all. Do I try the bypass? I don't know. I'm proper tempted. You know what? Yeah. There's no lights up there now.